Hey guys, Ian Mayer-Marzalek here, Senior National Trainer for Schwarzkopf Professional USA. Welcome to this IGORA VIBRANCE series of videos where we help you figure out how to use IGORA VIBRANCE every single day behind the chair in the salon. We're hopefully going to give you as many tips and tricks in this short style video so that you can walk away feeling comfortable utilizing IGORA VIBRANCE today. Our numbering system is like learning a new language. We utilize 10 numbers that represent tone directions. If I told you that to learn a brand new language, it was only 10 words, do you think you could do it today? For sure. So let's go through these numbers and tell you exactly what they mean so that you can navigate our entire demi-permanent IGORA VIBRANCE brand on your own. For example, you'll see a box that says 6-78. The 6 that comes before the dash is the level. The numbers that come after the dash are the tone direction, and that's what we're gonna go through now. All right, let's get started. Dash 0 represents our natural or our neutral. Dash 1 is called cendre, but is a blue-violet tone direction. Dash 2 is called ash, but it actually is a blue tone direction. Dash 2 rhymes with blue. Dash 3 is called matte and is a green tone direction. Dash 4 is beige, which is a muted gold, or think of it as like this beautiful hybrid between warm and gold in one tube. Dash 5 is gold, which is gold. Dash 6 is called chocolate, and it's a warm brown. Think of a neutral brown that has more of an orangey gold tone direction. Dash 7 is copper, which is more of an orange. Dash 8 is red, which is a straight up red. Not a pink red, not a violet red, straight up red. And then lastly, Dash 9 is violet, which is AKA purple.